Hello everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Copilot in Power Pages. First of all, I wish to thanks Microsoft that they have provided this excellent opportunity to preview this future feature with Power Pages for all the MVPs. Thank you, Microsoft, for this wonderful thing. So let us first understand what is Power Pages. Okay, basically, what is the purpose of the Power Pages and how we can use the Copilot mode in that. Okay, so, Microsoft Power Page is a secure enterprise grade low code software as a service platform for creating, hosting, and administering modern external facing business websites. So, simply to say, it is used to host the business website. Whether you are a low code maker or a professional developer, Power Pages empowers you to rapidly design, configure, and publish websites that work across web browsers and devices. So Power Pages you can use it along with Power Apps, Power Automate, all the technologies which are there in Microsoft. Okay, so you can try Power Pages for free. So I'll just leave the link in the description. So please check that. So if you see, this is the website for Power Page. So make.powerpages.com .microsoft.com. So once if you click there, it will take you to this page. Okay, and you have to log in. You have to sign in using this. So this is a very basic step for that. So here you can see welcome. It will display your name, and this is the thing. This is where you have to click in order to create a site. Okay, so let us just click here to create a site. Okay, just click create a site. So this is a very initial stage where I told you that Power Pages are excellent to use for a low code, no code development. Okay, that is the website building. This is easy to do it. So they have some pre-built features like inbuilt features and templates which you can directly use it. Okay, so this is the template. You can preview this and use this if you want to use this template. Okay, so or else if you want to go ahead with a blank page, you can also do that. On the top of this, you can see various options available like starter layouts, scheduling, application submission, registration. You have various options over here. If you want to explore all these things, so just to click starter layouts, scheduling, specifically for scheduling, like what are the websites which you can design, application submission, registration, and if you click here it will have a lot of things. So if you want to just go ahead with the blank page, you have an option here that is blank page. So you can simply select choose this template and you can give the name for your template. Okay, so I'm just going to give learn with Goms. So let us see whether this is available here, and you can just copy and paste it here. So you by default it will show you some website address. You can even rename the address. Okay, learn with goms.powerappsportal.com, and you can select the site language. It's English. Okay, so if you wanted to add any image for your site, you can add it, and this is your site name, and this is your website web address, and this is your site language. So now we are not going to see how to host it, how to administer it. Just we are going to explore how this copilot mode is used here. Okay, so I'm just going to simply click done. So let us wait in order to see some magic thing happening here. So it is setting up a new site for us, which makes it may take some time. Okay, meanwhile we'll just discuss about the copilot. Okay, so AI generated form using copilot. So there are various options where copilot will be used. So AI powered and copilot features in Power Pages. So what are the things? The next generation AI enhancement using copilot in Power Pages is revolutionizing how to build and launch data centric business websites. So as a maker, our tasks are simplified using copilot. So we all know we are now in ChatGPT world, and so everything we need AI to do it for ourselves. So that is what we are going to do it now. So what currently the Power Pages can do is what you can create a form in web page using a copilot. So we can use copilot to generate text like into a web page. So we can enable the chatbot in a Power Page site, and also we can force Bing webmaster to index our site. So in this specific video we'll be looking into like how to create a form in the web page using copilot preview. Okay, so let us see, like, yes, our that is my website is getting ready. Okay, so once it is ready, you can see it is getting ready. It will show you all the updates here. You can see the updates over here. It's showing getting ready, and who is the creator and suggested next step. If you wanted to invite others, you can invite here. So everything you can see here. Okay, so other than this, once it is ready, it will show you, like, you can edit, you can preview, and you can see all the other thing. So before it get ready, like, let us understand about how we can create a AI generated form using a copilot preview and what is that. Okay, so we can easily create a form. So a form in the sense, if you wanted to create a registration form or a scholarship application form or a product customer support form, so any of these forms are really easy in order to create it with a copilot mode. Okay, so it's getting ready. Let us wait for some more time. So copilot mode, just you have to open the form and you have to just tell like what you want. Okay, so you have to tell like whether you have to create a user registration form. Just to type user registration form, it will show you, it will create it for you. Okay, yes, now it is ready. Okay, so let us click edit so that you can add the components into Power Pages. Let me just go take you through the Power Pages website, like how you can do all these stuff, how you can click, how you can add some components into the website, how it is really working out. If you are if you have experience in using SharePoint, then definitely you will feel it very comfortable. So this is how you can edit the company name. Okay, so here you can see edit site header. If you simply click here, you can edit the company name here. Okay, so you can say, okay, so if you wanted to add an image, you can add an image. If you wanted to change this to the styling options like something else, you can change it, layout, all these things. Okay, if you wanted to learn Power Pages, please leave a comment. I will definitely help you out. So here what happens, here you can see you have various options. If you wanted to add the component into it, you can add a text, button, image, video, form, multi-step form. Everything is there. And if you click this more, you can see more into it. So in this, we are going to see how Copilot mode is used in the form. So we are going to explore this form here. So click on the form. So you can see here the Copilot option available. So describe a form to create it. Okay, this is a preview. And here you have to write it. You can see that you have to write, you have to explain, you have to write, you have to tell what form you want it. So by default, they have user registration form, scholarship application form, and product customer support form. Even if you wanted to create, you can create a form by clicking plus new form, but we are just going to try how this copilot mode is really working out for us. Okay, so what you can do is, what you can simply typing, like you can just describe it to create. For example, you can type like what scholarship form. So let us just try here, like I'm just clicking scholarship form. Okay, let us see what it is creating. It is creating the form for us. Okay, even if you wanted to try something like a login form, product registration form, or a customer feedback form, a training feedback form, so whatever, okay, we can try that. So once if you click, it is creating a scholarship application form here. By default, it is showing that these are all the value which you can add it, like applicant name, for in order to apply for the scholarship application. So they need age, gender, address, contact number, email, school, grade, GPA, extracurricular activities, essay, reference, submission date, status, and everything. And if you wanted to do something in this form, for example, remove the address field. If you want to remove the address field, you can remove it. If you want to add a family income field, if you wanted to add a financial need field, if you want to add any of this field, you can add it. Or else, if you wanted to add anything, you can just simply say add. Okay, and then you can, you want, if you wanted the information about the father, you add father and mother name, add the details. Okay, I'm just trying to Yeah, I'm just trying to update the form. Let us see what it is happening, whether it is adding the parent details. Okay, so in the reference letter, they have to submit the PDF. Okay, so they have to tell what is the PDF here, and then status. It is by default it has created the status as a drop down, and the submission date by default it has created it as a date. Okay, it's really everything is amazing by itself it has created. And since I have told like parent name, so it is showing like a parent name it has created. Okay, no problem. So let us just click okay. Let us see like how it is trying to convert it. So in the left side you can see that in the left side, so this is the beginning of like this is the studio. Okay, the Power Page Studio, where in the beginning you can see that this is the home page where you can find the create side, and in the left side you can see you have a learn. Okay, where you can easily learn Power Pages. Okay, from right from the beginning to the end, like what all the videos you have, everything is given here, so you can just try it out and learn how to do it. And if you wanted to learn from me, please leave your message, leave the comment, I'll definitely help you out. So this is how the form has been added here. Okay, so yes, we have tried Power Pages like Copilot mode activated into the form. As it is great, so please try this and leave your comment. We will meet in the next exciting video on how this Copilot is used in Power Apps, Power Automate, everything. Okay, just take care. Bye bye.